Let's play a game. You need a notebook and pencil, or a whiteboard and marker. Okay, let's draw the animals together. But let's draw on our head. Are you ready? Okay. Chicken. Let's draw a chicken. It's my chicken. Did you draw a chicken? Great. Let's write the word chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Good job. Do you like my chicken? Okay. Let's draw another animal. Cow. Oh, it's my cow. Did you draw a cow? Good job. Let's write the word cow. C-O-W. Cow. Good job. Let's draw another animal. Pig. Ready? Okay. It's my pig. Did you draw a pig? Good job. Let's write the word pig. P-I-G. Pig. Good job. Let's draw another animal. Cat. Cat. Ready? Okay, I'm finished. It's my cat. Did you draw a cat? Let's write the word cat. C-A-T. Cat. Good job. Let's draw one more animal. Sheep. Sheep. Let's draw a sheep on our heads. Okay, I'm finished. Are you finished? Ready? It's my sheep. Did you draw a sheep? Good job. Let's write the word sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Good job.